Hello everyone, and welcome back to Technology. In today's video, I'll show you 3 effective methods to boost your CPU performance and improve your system speed. Let's get started. Go to the Start menu and type Control Panel. In the Control Panel, set View by to large icons or small icons. I have selected large icon. Scroll down and click on Power Options. If your plan is set to Balanced, click Change Plan Settings under Balanced and set it to High Performance. Now, click Change Plan Settings under High Performance. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Find and expand Processor Power Management. Set minimum processor state to 0% and maximum processor state to 100%. Click Apply and OK. Go to Start menu and open Settings. Click System, then select Storage from the left sidebar. Scroll down on the right and click Optimize Drives. Select the drive you want to optimize, preferably your C drive, and click Optimize. Repeat for other important drives if needed. Open this PC or my computer and right-click in the blank space. Select Properties, then click Change Settings on the right. Go to the Advanced tab and under Performance, click Settings. Select Adjust for best performance, then click Apply and OK. These are 3 simple ways to boost your CPU performance. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.